Grand Rising, this is Goddess Kendra. Thank you for joining me for a new video. All I have to say is viewer discretion advised. Strong language is used. These are not my words. These are the words of Dog, the racist bounty hunter.
Black. It's because we use the word nigger sometimes here. I'm not going to take a chance ever in life of losing everything I've worked for 30 years because some fucking nigger heard us say nigger and turned us into the Empire magazine. Our career is over. I'm not taking that chance at all. Never in life. Never. Never. If Lisa was dating a nigger, we would all say, fuck you. And you know that. If Lisa brought a black guy home, and it's not that they're black. It's none of that. It's that we use the word nigger. We don't mean you fucking scum nigger without a soul. We don't mean that shit. But America would think we mean that. And we're not taking a chance on losing everything we got over a racial slur. Because our son goes with the girl like that. I can't do that, Tucker. You can't expect Gary, Bonnie, Cecily, all them young kids, because I'm in love for 7 months. I fucked that. So I'll help you get another job, but you cannot work here unless you break up with her. And she's out of your life. I can't handle that shit. I got him in the parking lot trying to record us. I got that girl saying she's going to wear a recorder. I don't even know what the girl said she's going to wear a goddamn recorder. Your girl was going to jump Beth one day. No, she wasn't even there that day, Dad. You can ask any of them. I asked everybody. Ask them all again. That's bullshit. Lisa's a lying fucking liar. Lisa said that Beth had a tank shirt on and your girlfriend was going to fuck him. She wasn't even there that day. The day Lisa said that happened, Monique wasn't even there. The last time Monique was anywhere near that office was during the cruise. And that was over a month and a half ago, Dad. That's when it was, Tucker. It was a long time ago. No, Lisa said it was recently, just a while ago. No, she didn't, because we've been out of town. She said it was a month or so ago. It was before we left town. Lisa was there in the parking lot with the black girl because I seen a black girl in the car, but I didn't know it was your girlfriend. And Beth had a tank top on. You've seen her now, Dad. I seen the back of her head, yes, in the car with what's her name. So, but I didn't know. What kind of car did Lisa got? It wasn't Lisa. It was the car that's parked by my office there. Wait, Monique don't got a car? No, Lisa has it. It's parked by my office there. So listen. So she says that she's going to with Beth, and she goes, no, let's stick to the original plan and record her. That is so... No, Dad, Monique loves me to fucking death. She would never... No, it doesn't matter, Tucker. You don't know life. She does not. Yes, she may love you and all that, but she's going to get Beth. I mean, I'm not going to have someone... She doesn't care, Dad. They made too many statements, Tucker. I'm not having someone live around me. It's Lisa talking to Tim, making crap up now. She's psycho, Dad. She goes over to Dwayne Lee and she'll call Dwayne Lee. Dwayne Lee won't answer his phone. She'll sit in front of his house until she sees him. Lisa's a fucking wacko. She ain't no more. I cut Lisa off 3 months ago, Dad, because I couldn't take her shit. Okay, and I told Monique, I don't care if you hang out with her, but I'm not hanging out with her. You don't have her drop you off in my house. You don't have her pick you up in my house. You don't have her do any favors for you when it has to do with me. And this has been going on for 3 months because I know Teresa the same thing, Dwayne Lee the same thing. Yeah, well, Leland's still hanging out with her. No, he's not. Leland's fucking freaked out now. Yeah, well, I told that. I told him, dude, she's weird. Dude, that girl slept in Leland's house when Leland was out of town. He's vetted shit. Yo, he ain't no more, because last night I laid down the law, and Dwayne Lee just called me and said, Teresa told that girl never to come by her fucking house again, because I told Dwayne Lee the same thing. And I'm going to have your wife hang around with that girl, you're not working for Dog the Bounty Hunter. Dwayne Lee called this morning, and Teresa and said, we are not hanging around with that girl. So just like Dwayne Lee, just like you, if you hang with that black girl, I do not want you in my house, because...
So I've been telling people since last year that Dog the Bounty Hunter is a racist, and you just heard for yourself. He's like, it's not that what we believe. Niggers are soulless, but I have too much to lose. And he tells his son, if you date this black girl, didn't even call her by her name, then you can't work with me. But in the 70s, he killed an innocent black man, and he's trying to get the shit expunged from his record. Like, oh, I do not support white supremacy. A lot of actors out here are fucking racist. I don't watch none of their shit. People be in the industry sex trafficking kids. I don't fuck with them no more. Robert De Niro's one of them. But this is disturbing that a man would say that to his son. Like, do I agree with what he said? Hell no, that's disrespectful as a motherfucker. Seriously. And the only reason why Dog the Bounty Hunter even apologized is because he knew he would lose endorsements and possibly his show. That racist dog ain't fucking sorry. So let's get into it. So yesterday, February 18th, it was brought to my attention by TMZ that Dog the Bounty Hunter proposed to a woman named Moon, who was his wife's bridesmaid. So Beth Chapman passed away last year, and I always thought that it would be boundaries, like you never date any of my friends, and I never date your friends if we die or break up. People don't have boundaries. That's not cool. And I bet Dog's children are like, what the heck? Because this young woman is obviously way younger than Beth and Dog. So that makes me think, if you're so quick to propose to this woman, are you having sexual relations with her while your wife was alive? Because people, you know, like someone could say, I don't want to be with you and break up with you. Usually he or she has been having a sexual relationship or a relationship on the side if they're willing to drop you to be with somebody else. And I feel that is very much disrespectful. And I think allegedly he did it on TV, and Dog's children are not happy about that. Like, oh my God, in life, I would never in life date my husband's friends, even if we haven't been married for years and years. You just don't cross certain boundaries. I mean, people are saying, isn't this too soon? She just died. Well, Dog is a piece of shit, and he's only probably looking out for himself. He's been married to Beth Chapman for many years. He probably wants some young cootie cat, and that's just disrespectful. Like, he just doesn't give a fuck, and you gotta always think when it comes to relationship, whether you have older children or younger children, like, you kind of have to take their feelings into consideration. I would never date somebody that my children don't like, because that causes tension and drama. Like, that's just disrespectful. Shame on Dwayne Chapman, that piece of shit. Like I said, he's a racist. Please remember to subscribe and click the notification button. Thank you to all my loyal subscribers, and my goal is to have 1,000 subscribers with 20,000 views per video. And when you do subscribe and click the notification button, please don't forget to leave a comment. Thank you.